Today, I'm going to show you how to easily withdraw your winnings from bet365. Whether you're using a mobile phone or a web browser on your PC, the steps are exactly the same. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, stick around because I've got all the juicy details. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your Bet365 app or website. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your username and password. It's always a good idea to keep your login details safe and secure. After logging in, click on your avatar located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, you want to click on Bank. You'll be redirected to the bank options, which include balances, deposit, manage cards, manage withdrawals, and withdraw. Now, to be able to withdraw using your bank account, you must have it added as your deposit method first. If you haven't done this yet, don't worry. It's pretty simple. Click on the Deposit option, and you'll see various payment methods like Skrill, Neteller, PaySafeCard, AstroPay and bank transfer. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using a credit or debit card because it's the fastest and most reliable method. If you haven't added your credit or debit card yet, click on Add New Card and follow the prompts. You can get a credit or debit card from any bank of your choice in your country. Once added, it will be your deposit and withdrawal method. In my case, I've already got mine set up as you can see. Now, let's move on to the main reason for this video: how to withdraw your funds. Click on Withdraw, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Remember, the minimum amount is $10 and the maximum is $30,000. In this example, I'm going to withdraw $10. Once you've entered the amount, click on Withdraw. And that's it. Your withdrawal request is now being processed, and the funds should be in your bank account shortly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance.